Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. Today we are cooking chicken mushroom Alfredo. What I did is I had boiled 3 chicken breasts, which amounted to 1 pound of chicken. Then I shredded the chicken breast, okay? And I'm just going to push it to the side right now, because right now I am going to use 8 ounces of mushrooms. There those goes. They are on the verge of going bad, but still edible. I did throw in a half a stick of butter, okay? 8 ounces of mushrooms, 1 small onion. We're going to get this all fried up, okay? Sauteed. We're going to get these all sauteed up. Okay, I did want to come back. Let's add some garlic. And this is just a teaspoon of garlic. So it's not a lot, but enough to give it a little bit of flavor. You can also add garlic powder. Let's go in with some pepper. Pepper's good. You know, a little bit of salt. And then let's get this sauteed up. Okay, everything is sauteed up and it's done. See how the onions are getting translucent? That's what we were wanting. Then I'm going to shut off my stove right now, switch things around. Now here's my chicken. Let's get those mushrooms and onions inside of the chicken. Sorry for the clanging of the pan. Okay, perfect. Just a little mixing that up. I love how those mushrooms are huge. They may be a little bit aged, but they are still good. Okay, now here is the Alfredo part. I always do that to get this easier to open. Then we're just going to pour that in. Okay, I will be right back. I am going to get a little bit of water for this. All right, I am going to take a wild guess. That's probably about half a cup that I put in that jar. And then we stir and we start heating this up. Turning on my stove again. This recipe is definitely budget friendly. I got a discount on the mushrooms. I already had the onion also. And these are all cheap. These are all cheap things, okay? And the biggest thing today was I really needed to cook something extremely quick, okay? This, I just had to boil the chicken, shredded them up, or you can't even be quicker and get a rotisserie chicken. It's fine. You can do that. And most people probably will. The mushrooms are already diced up. I just had to cut up an onion and shred the chicken. Oh, that was not hard, okay? Especially when you are strapped for time. Okay, so what we are going to do is get this all heated. Oh no! We're going to get this all heated up. Okay, friends, I am going to be boiling some water right here because at the spur of the moment, I decided I wanted to cook some bow tie pasta. Not a lot. I just wanted to accent the meal a little bit. I don't want it to be all full of noodles. Okay, so this is a 12 ounce. We're just going to put like half the box, so 6 ounces of this box to boil. And then I'm going to add it to my Alfredo chicken, mushroom chicken over there. And then we have another ingredient to top that off with. Okay, there we go. There's the noodles. Not a lot of noodles, but enough. I just want to stir that in there. Make sure my oven is turned on. And there I am, making a mess. Like, if I'm not in this kitchen making a mess, then I'm not really cooking. Yeah, I got pots to stir, ingredients to add, things to open, all that good stuff. So what I'm doing right now, I'm stirring the noodles into everything as I'm getting it hot, okay? So here, what I'm going to do, so that part is done. I mean, I don't know if you see it getting a little bit bubbly on the side. Can you hear it? Perfect. It's whistling. Okay, I have some mozzarella here. Let's get a nice handful and just sprinkle it on there. Then what we need to do, where's my lid? Okay, what we need to do is let this melt. Okie dokie. We are just going to plate this up right now. Just, oh, look at that. I hope I didn't put too much cheese in there. All right, yeah, alrighty. So right now, right off the bat, I love the way that it smells. Those mushrooms are nice big chunks of mushrooms. They're meaty, and I love that. Okay, and we got some really good amount of meat in there. Like, it's a meaty, mushroomy, chunky, cheesy. Okay. There's some chicken. I wanted to find a meaty mushroom. Wow. Okay, the cheese is just being cheesy. It's being cheese. Cheese is being cheese. Okay, I'm going to go in for a nice bite. This is excellent for a hot day when you're wanting to get stuff done. And it's really budget friendly. And it's delicious. That's the main part right there. Budget friendly and delicious and quick to bake. Okay, friends, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more budget friendly meals, please subscribe. And friends, no matter what, keep cooking. I love you all.